Now the project has been compiled, and then the bottom I have received a message that finished successfully on 15th July 2013, and the time has been given, and followed by the project name. Now if I go back to the folder where I have created this file, where I have saved this file, you will see that there are number of other where is that file, damn it? Yes, there are a lot of files created already, right, which you haven't created yourself. So what's the deal with it? Our program's name was blinking LED, and there are number of files on the same name. What you need to find is blinkingled.hex. This is the file you need. This is the file you are actually going to burn into the microcontroller, so that the microcontroller works accordingly. Now to burn the microcontroller, what you need is one of these. It's a microcontroller PIC writer. I got this one from I forgot the name. I got this burner from which lab? Interface Lab, right? Sorry, Interface Lab. I did a small course on microcontrollers, and there I received this PIC writer. There are number of open source PIC writer out there in the internet, but I haven't been able to make one. So this is the still I use one of these. Now what I need is a Type B USB cable. This is a Type B USB cable, and I'll be plugging it into the burner. Now I've been using this burner for quite a while, so I am not getting a new hardware message. Now when you'll be connecting this thing to your PC, you'll be getting a new hardware message. But it's not a big deal. You know how to work with new hardwares. Now this is the microcontroller I'll be using, so I'll be putting this. Oh, by the way, do you know how to identify which one is the top and which one is the bottom? So if you look closely, there is a small hole or a cut on the top of it. Unfortunately, it's not very clear on the video, but whenever you have a small hole or punch or a cavity on the top, it means that this is the top end of your microcontroller. This is the top end of your ICs. This goes for all the ICs. Now I'll be putting the first pin into the first cavity and locking them here. Now to burn the microcontroller, I need another software named as PIC writer. This is a software particularly for this hardware. Now over here I have an option is identify PIC in the programmer. Once I click it, I also have to define how many pins my microcontroller has. So now this thing is telling me I have no hex file loaded, PIC 16F73 in database, VP 13 volt and other blah technical stuff. So it's alright. The microcontroller has been detected. It knows there is a microcontroller in it. Now I need to write a hex file into PIC. So write a hex file into PIC. Which one is it? This is blinking LED. This is the file I actually created right now. So open it, burn it, and it's giving me OK message. So it has been burned, or it has been written on my microcontroller. Now I can take it out and put it into my breadboard. Now working with breadboard is pretty simple, but still I'll be explaining the basics in a short period of time, if I get the time to do it. So this is it's a little hard to put it in, so I'll pause the video for now.